Zodway loses her cool with fake friends. Zodway Bantu has a stinging message for those so-called friends who come to her for help and then gossip behind her back. The entertainer did not mince her words when she told these people to stop spreading rumors about her. To all the people that I help around the country, I don't have friends. To the so-called friends, those who come to me when they need me and those who don't have a place to stay or money. If you stay or sleep at one of my flats in South Beach and come across a cockroach or a rat, it's yours, it's not mine, cause I don't stay there as Zodway Bantu. Please stop spreading rumors that I think too much of myself and that my flats are filthy. No, you are dirty, not my flats. Zodway made it clear that she did not need such people in her life.